Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are missing. Well, we're still missing it. Hold on. Hold, please. Now we have it up in the chat. We've got James Taylor first in the chat, man. James, Dark Bro, James, Gorilla, Frisco, All-American Breakers, Frisco. We've got James Taylor, Notos, All-American Notos, Frisco, Moji, Bender, Jack Sparrow, the famous ones, James Taylor, Dark Bro, the famous. We've got All-American Breakers, Dark Bro, Kenneth, James Taylor, Moji, Kenneth, Dark Bro, James Taylor, Dark Bro, JB, Dark Bro, James Taylor, Moji, Dark Bro, Dial-Up, Samuel, Master, Dark Bro, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on so far today. That's not the market, that is honorarium. Let's see. AEMC in the top left-hand side of the screen finishing down on the day today, 6.63% lower, despite coming back up into the close there. Shiba Inu Coin. Oh, get ready. Oh, it's looking good. Shiba Inu Coin, guys, trying to break above the 3,500, point per coin level. It is looking very good right now. GameStop lower on the day. Bitcoin, yesterday this would have been an all-time high. Not now, it would have been an all-time high. But, dude, what we're looking at, it's touching $70,000 again. It spiked up this morning, immediately dumped off. What are we going to do here, man? Are we going to get another little reattempt of 70,000 and then a I'm too scared to hold type of a mentality? Or is it going to break and absolutely rip? Guys, look at the daily chart. Look at the daily chart on Bitcoin, not showing a single day of weakness in like the last year, man. It's just been phenomenal here, but not showing a single day. This isn't really weakness right here because it still closed on this ascending trend. Bitcoin is looking beyond strong at the moment, and we are going to watch it either get rejected once again as it attempts an all-time high or possibly break out and move even higher. The NASDAQ having a very difficult day today. Dogecoin looking good at 17 cents. Ethereum looking good at nearly $4,000 per coin. Shiba Inu Coin, $35.89. Bitcoin, $69,269. The SPY, $5.11. You got QQQ, $4.39. Molinado, $6.82. Sundial sitting at $1.36. Netflix, $6.04. MPW, $4.17. Tesla, $1.75. Amazon, $1.75. You've got Apple, $1.70. Almost $1.75. Dang, man, those three stocks are almost all $175 each. Coincidence? I think not. Pinky give you pink eye, and it just might do that. Picked up $150 worth of Pinky Clay, bro. Dark, bro. Look, man, like I say, risky, absolutely. I was busy. Dude, I am so stinking busy right now, it's not even funny. I'm going to go hang out with my grandpa this evening after the live stream. So hopefully at that point, I have a little bit of time to essentially, look at what I want to look at, right? Maybe make some trades, maybe do some stuff and move some, bridge some stuff over so that I can grab some spare Solana to pick up some of these coins with. But yeah, dude, it has been like non-stop go for the last week and a half that Shiba Inu Coin has been running, and I might have a little bit of a breather this evening. Keyword on might have a little bit of a breather this evening, and hanging out with my grandpa, might be able to pick up some Pinky. Oh, another one that I need to show you guys, all right? Another one that I need to show you. You may remember that I did that video on Solnado, okay? They crashed hard today, and I am thinking about picking some of them up. So the best that I could find on them as to the reasoning why they fell, I went out on their Twitter account, and I'll pull it up in a second here, but Solnado, you guys need to look at this. Remember, I tried to get in during that pink sale, and I could not do it. Dang, man, 50 cents. They were at 20 cents a minute. They might already be coming back. I want them to hit that 28 cents again. I saw them at 28 cents when I was going to the store earlier, and clearly I'm not buying at the store. All right, look at this 5-minute chart real quick. Dude, absolute, I'm going to say price devastation earlier. Dropping off from $1.17 to essentially 20. Okay, so it went down to about 24, 25 cents. I saw it at 28. They may be on their way back up right now. We will have to see. Dropping down to 48 cents, 50 cents. All right, they're ticking around on these sales right here. Yeah, somebody coming in and selling a decent amount there. Got a couple buys following afterwards. Wow, a whale buy coming in there. That guy bought a couple percent of the entire supply. The reason for this decline, the best that I could see that I found out on their X account, is that there is now, and I don't know the extent of it. So if you guys are in their Telegram, you probably got more information than me. What was the pre-sale price? Gosh, dude, honestly, I forget what the pre-sale price was. It may be, I don't even remember what the pre-sale price was. The minimum that you could get in with, I don't know. I know you had to get in with 400 or with 4 Solana, so it was about $400 that you could get in with, and I forget exactly how many tokens you got for that. I know Kai actually got in. If Kai's in here right now, I know he actually made it into the pre-sale, so I forget what it was, but I think they're below the pre-sale at the moment. But so I don't think their liquidity is locked. So there is a risk out there. And supposedly, right, because their entire Solnado Cash utility is that they've got that Monero mixer. They can go out there and using Monero essentially privatize any of the cryptocurrency transactions that you use in their mixer. People all of a sudden started to freak out that the team could use that essentially to rug the project, right? I don't think the liquidity is locked, and that spooked a lot of people. So if that scares you, don't touch it, right? Don't touch it. I don't know if they plan on doing anything. The guy out on his X account seemed as though he was trying to calm the nerves of a lot of people out there, and that's what caused the decline. So, knowing that, don't touch it if you guys don't like that. But if you kind of believe that they're going to try and build something here with this Tornado or Solnado mixer, this is a crazy dip right now with a lot of the early guys getting out because they're getting nervous about what's going on there. What about Solana price prediction by the end of the month, bro? Dark hope. Hopefully up, okay? But it's going to depend on the overall crypto market. You know, analysts predict that Bitcoin is pulling back this month, okay? It's the 8th, and Bitcoin is showing nothing but strength, okay? Bitcoin is testing $69,000, $70,000 per coin right now. The daily is showing nothing but gains. Analysts are predicting a pullback. We've yet to see a pullback. So just be very, very well aware that if we do not see a pullback, Bitcoin could be ripping up through all-time highs right here. And oh my gosh, dude, if Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs in March, analysts are going to be wrong. Because it is at such a crucial level, I really don't know if we're going to see a pullback or what the deal's going to be. Shiba Inu Coin, in the meantime, is pulling back a little bit, down about 100 points per coin over the last 20 minutes here. So keep your eyes on Shiba Inu Coin, but it is still above the 3,500 point per coin level. A lot has happened since your absence. Mine or somebody... Oh my goodness! Richie's playing talk! What is going on? Richie, man. What do you say here? Had some health problems, but I'm back, baby. He said Abby, but I think he meant baby. And the dude's got health problems, so I didn't really want to give him a hard time. But I'm back, Abby. I am back. Richard is back, Abby. Now, if there is an Abby out there listening in the chat right now, I don't think it's a coincidence. Richard wants you to know that he is back. Abby, Richard is back. You know, there's actually a decent chance, 207 people listening right now, there's actually a decent chance that somebody out there is named Abby. Even, even if you're not Abby, there might be somebody in the same room as you named Abby, or you might have somebody in your family named Abby. So, yeah, Abby. Richard's back, baby. Richard is back. Yeah, I don't know. He says, I'm back, Abby. You meant to say baby, Gary. You meant to say baby. Chicken strips and fries. Dang it, I'm hungry, man. Shaybro first. Yeah, right. Shaybro's like no toast, man. She must have hit her head on something and doesn't understand the concept of first in the chat. Hey, how many SHIB has the Amazon link burned in March? Vroom. So I'm gonna have to go through and buy the SHIB and send it over to the wallet. But throughout the entire month of February, right? The last 30, well, it shows you the last 30 days. It doesn't show you the full thing. So the numbers that I see on the screen will result in, it's a little over $300. I don't know exactly what the number is for February. I got to go in and look at it. It's a little over $300 and something. So knowing that, because Shiba Inu Coin, prior, it would have been about roughly 35 to 40 million Shiba Inu Coin that were going to be burned. But because the price is ripped up, essentially 3, almost 4x, it's probably going to end up being somewhere around 10 million that does get burned, unless, of course, the price does pull back a little bit. So the numbers are up literally 50% in terms of US dollars from where they were the month prior, which is an excellent gain. And during March, I actually expect them, if this continues on, if the people that continue using it right now continue using it, there's a chance that we're going to be between about $500 to $1,000 in burns for March's accumulation. And that's based on kind of the first week that we've seen so far, extending out through March's accumulation. That burn would happen in April, but if we don't grow at all from where we're at right now, it's going to be somewhere between, and the days do fluctuate a lot, which is why I'm giving you a decent size range there. It's going to be somewhere between $500 and $1,000. If people all of a sudden get lazy because they don't want to look at Shiba Inu Coin anymore, if the price starts to pull back, that's going to suck. I mean, clearly. But if they continue using it and the price does pull back, dude, it'll be between 50 and 100 million Shiba Inu Coin that would be burned if the price pulls back to where it was just a week and a half ago, and the people who utilize that link continue utilizing that link. So it'll be an excellent combination if the price does pull back and people continue to use it, but that's yet to be seen, man. We'll have to see how that goes. How many likes for you to burn 1,000 of your own Shiba? Vroom. Unfortunately, man, I don't condone anybody burn any of their own money. I wouldn't even want, Elon Musk to burn $1,000 of his own money. Why? Because it's not sustainable. It's just not sustainable. I could burn $1,000, and then what do I end up with? $1,000 lost. Utilizing things like the Amazon link, burning Amazon's profit, it's a win-win-win for everybody. You win because you don't spend any extra money. Amazon wins because they get the traffic. They get the traffic to their website. I win because I'm not burning my own money. And we all win because Shiba's getting burned. So things like that, where you can figure out how to burn SHIB for free, I mean, essentially that's the best way to go in my opinion. So I'm not going to burn. You guys could give me like 50 million likes and I still wouldn't burn my own money. Hey, dial up. Clay's voice to soothe you to sleep until the king turkey comes in. Yes, dial up if you're trying to sleep. I'm very sorry. Somebody might send a king turkey and it might wake you up. Any Inu. Alex Braza. Let's see what we got here. AI. Any Inu. I know nothing about it, but I want to see about it. Let's see what we got, man. Any Inu. AI. 2 months old. Probably talking about this one, right? Dang. Well, I got $674,000 locked in the liquidity pool. A lot of money, man. Dude, they've been doing very well. It's the first time I've ever seen them, but they've been doing very well. 4 zeros and a 1 to 4 zeros and a 7, man. They've essentially 7x'd increased over the last couple of weeks here. So I don't know what they got going on, but $700,000 in volume, $700,000 locked in the liquidity pool, a $19.5 million market cap. Yeah, dude. Doesn't seem like a bad chart at all to me. I don't know how big their following is. 3,000 holders isn't bad, but might catch on. Moji says we got one for dial-up. Dial-up, sorry to wake you up, but hopefully your weekend is going to start off right. J-Bones, baby. Moji, baby. Thank you guys very much for the super chats. Yeah, if you didn't know it, that is a king cow. That is how a cow sounds, and that is how a turkey sounds. Moji, J-Bones, man, thank you guys very much for the super chats. Absolutely appreciate both of you. Check out Pop Dog. Russell, let's look at Pop Dog, man. I haven't seen that one before. We'll look at it here. Dark Bro, we messed up. Should have been Honorary Inu. Yeah, Honorary Inu. He could probably change the name. Honor Inu might be a $12 million market cap. You add Bro Inu, dude, you add the Inu onto the end of anything, and all of a sudden you're a hit. I'm at 14,000 profit and shit. Was thinking about buying more, but we don't get much anymore for the money. You're right. Better than Ezra. You know, these prices, it costs you, what, $35 for $1 million. Last week, it was $10 for $1 million. So it is a drastic difference, dude. We're about 3.5, 4 times higher than where we were just last week. It's much more expensive to buy, and it's much more expensive to burn. So that's why you got to take advantage of this stuff while it's, down, while it's hitting lows, while nobody's interested in it whatsoever. King Turkey is so legit. Maurice, every time Maurice hears the King Turkey, he's like, oh crap, is there a turkey in my house? What's going on here? Whoa, clever, my cat jumped on my desk and swatted at your picture when you moved. My door's actually open. I don't think my cat is in here, but yeah, the cat, I heard her downstairs a minute ago. She probably started to run away when I did that. I guess I could deploy another token on the Solana and call it that. Dark Bro, that you could, my man, that you could. Solana's nice and cheap, too. Bro, do you have a massive, I don't actually hold any Coke, okay? For those of you guys that were wanting to know, I do not hold a massive bag of Coke, but it just got listed on crypto.com. So if you guys are interested in it, it is doing very well today. Having received that crypto.com listing, it is hitting all-time highs. So, like my friend out there, who was it? I don't even know who it was now. Oh, XLR8, Accelerate Media, wanting to know about Coke Inu. No, I don't hold any of it, actually. Slacking with the little ones, never, man. Clay Rico, Ship King, baby, Kenneth Welch, bro. I like the ending of the name there. Get your game on, go play. So the Shiba Eco developer people should have been burning at a higher rate while prices were down, knowing that this bull market was right around the corner. Yeah, get your game on. But they didn't want to, man. They didn't want to. Look, I am fully convinced that the only reason they are gearing up to burn some more Shiba Inu coin is because we keep asking them where the burns are. That is literally the only reason they're doing it. I guarantee if we just forgot about it like they want us to, they'd walk away with that money and they'd steal it faster than you guys know what to do. Richie's Plain Talk. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you 5 times over because Richie's Plain Talk sent out 5 green names. Emery Lee grabbing a green name. Tim is Fat grabbing a green name. Richard grabbing a green name. Caleb grabbing a green name. And Owentron grabbing a green name. Richie's Plain Talk. Guess who's back? Back again. Richie's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Richie's back. Richie's back. Richie, man, thank you very much for the 5 green names. If you guys grabbed one, please say thank you. If you didn't grab one, please say thank you anyway, because either number 1, it's nice, or number 2, somebody else could throw another one out there, and you want to be respectful to anybody, making sure this entire stinking chat is green, dude. Richie, man, thank you. Shout out to you as well, Will Major. Glad to have you. Let's get it started. I'm up, holding since 2021, dollar cost averaging hard. Let's get it. Mr. Carlos Pagan, Mr. Carlos Pagan, however you say the last name there, very, very nice. And I am glad to see that you are making money right now, man. That's the way you got to do it. You can't get out of the game. You can't leave the space if you want to make money. SHIB continue going too deep. Pepe is continue moving up. Ninasia, okay? I don't think that SHIB is, going down or anything, going deep. I think that Shiba Inu Coin is still doing very, very well at these levels. If you pull out the daily chart, you can see that it is still following this beautiful ascending trend line. It's simply having some trouble in this area that we expected it to have trouble at. Guys, this line at 3,500 points per coin has been on my screen for 2 years now. Okay, we're just now getting back to it. But it's been on my screen. I gotta go weekly. It's been on my screen since back here. We tested in May. Weeble doesn't go back that far. Tested 3,500 points per coin. Fell down to 500 points per coin. Tested 3,500 points per coin. It fell back down to 23. Finally broke it 2.5 weeks later. Ripped up to an all-time high. Came back down. Used 3,500 points per coin as support. Tested it on the upside. Couldn't break. Fell into a bear market. Came back down. 500 points per coin. I mean, right there. Look, 500 points per coin back here in 2021. 500 points per coin back here in 2023. Now it's doing the exact same thing again. Be just aware that, okay, great, man. If it sticks in this area for a week and a half, are you really going to be upset that SHIB plays at 3,500 points per coin for a week and then rips up to an all-time high? Yeah, so 3,500 points per coin is very, very nice on Shiba Inu Coin. I'm going to go back to the minute chart, though, so we can see what's happening right this minute. And then Bitcoin getting rejected at $70,000 again, sitting at 68,800. Call post ONXXs. Kenneth, thank you very much for the super chat. Kenneth, I need a translation. Call post ONXXs. Kenneth, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I need a translation. I don't know what that means. I really don't know what that means, dude. I'm very sorry. If it means something, I'm very sorry that I don't get it. Miss all y'all. It's awesome live stream. Richie, man, you helped make it awesome, dude. You helped make it awesome. I'm so glad you're back. Moo. What do you think of XRP? Jamal, I do like XRP. Okay, I like Ripple as a business. I think what they're doing is phenomenal. They got first mover advantage in the industry, and they could really grow to $1 trillion business as time goes on. I do not know if it is going to be their stock that is worth $1 trillion or if their crypto is going to be worth $1 trillion. But what I do know is they serve a need and they make things bigger, faster, stronger, better, more efficient. So I like Ripple. I don't like the fact that the SEC can't leave them alone. Why the spam? Guys, no spam. Come on now. Wow, Clay, bro. It's free to smack the like button. I tested it. It does work. 280 people in here watching and only 50 likes. Oh, man. Guys, click the stinking like button, man. 300 of you, click it now. Clay just heard someone say the market was being suppressed, so Bitcoin doesn't get so high, it's out of reach for retail. Could that be true? Sandra, yes, it could be true, okay? Now, why could that be true? Because the major players, the institutions out there, they hold a lot of money. And yes, in order for retail to go out there and buy, a single Bitcoin, it is just a lot. If you add up the amount of retail investors and the amount of retail money and the amount of institutional money, it's unfortunate, but the institutional money invested beats the retail money invested. So if these institutions got together and said, yes, we are going to buy, no, we are not going to buy, that is a form of manipulation, so theoretically it should be illegal, but it is a possibility. And you asked if it was possible. So, yes, it is possible. Now, do I think that's what's happening? Man, I don't know. I really don't. I truly think that these people that are above us, that claim to be above us, leaders, political leaders, CEOs, Wall Street boys, all of these guys out there who essentially control things, they want it to be that way. So, yeah, Sandra, it is possible, but I don't live my life thinking that anybody else can dictate what I do. So, because of that, I don't want to think about them manipulating prices and stuff like that. I am in control of the decisions that I make. I am in control of who I become. Nobody else. So maybe they manipulate it, but even if they do, man, I don't go down that route with my mentality. Agumelin! I think that's how you say it. Thank you very much. Tell us about some news. Can't miss crypto coins. Oh, tell us about some new can't miss crypto coins. Agumelin, I've actually gotten into a couple brand new crypto tokens that have done very well. I've done a couple pre-sale videos on them. They were sponsored videos, just to let you know. This is not sponsored now because I actually am doing very well on these coins. So, one of them, Smog token. I want to bring this one up. They're not sponsoring this shout out right now, but they have sponsored videos in the past. Smog token. Dude, me, Gary, Johnny Quest, I don't know if anybody else in here got in. We got in at like the 1.9 cent level. The very first day that it launched, because they did sponsor a video. Since then, man, and you could have gotten in a little earlier, actually. I didn't, but get into 1.9 cent level, man. It is currently trading at 33 cents. Now, I'll kick myself all day long because I clearly, didn't bet the farm on it. Made a little bit of money, but nothing to write home to mom about. But the price action is testing 40 cents today. Put that on your lists. There's a chance. There's some rumors. Don't tell anybody you heard it here. There's a chance we could be seeing some very nice exchange listings soon. Do with that information what you will, because this is a parabolic curve, and it could pull back to the trend line that it feels comfortable with. So, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, whatever you guys want to do on it. Smog could turn into something. $250 million market cap right now, but seems to be doing very well. This one, it is on a major pullback today. They've got a mixer, but people they're pulling back because they are nervous that the liquidity isn't locked, and the team could essentially go out there and run away with that money. So if you trust the team, take a look at Solnado Cash. If you don't trust the team, run far, far away from it. Sync. Dude, I'm in Sync. I did the math earlier, like 1.1 something cents. It's hitting an all-time high today of 6.2 stinking cents, man. I've been telling you guys about this one since like back here. You guys could have all 3x gained in this one pretty easily. So if you are interested in this one, I do have an affiliate link, okay? Either click the affiliate link in my Sync video or simply type in code CLAYBRO when you go to buy it. And you're going to get some rewards for using the code CLAYBRO. The last one that I am in and doing well on is Azure Wallet. A-Z-U-R-E. Azure Wallet is up 50% today, 4.2 cents, rising beautifully at the moment. And these guys have their own DeFi wallet, 427,000. I don't use their DeFi wallet, but they've got a DeFi wallet. $427,000 locked in the liquidity pool, $3 million market cap, still extremely small. Now, those tokens were sponsored. Every single one of those tokens that I just showed you were sponsored in the past, but they're not sponsored for that shout out. So I am doing well on those tokens right now. They are all very, very new and could grow from there. Hopefully that answers your question. Fosty YouTube, however you say your YouTube channel, man. Shout out to you. Thank you very much for your third super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. What are your favorite movies? Coffee link. Golly, dude, I'll say this. Every single movie that I watch, I always end up saying, that is my favorite movie, okay? I love watching movies. Unfortunately, I mean, I am extremely busy right now, so I don't watch a lot of movies. I don't know why, okay? But when I revert to answering the question Fast and Furious. So, growing up, dude, with the original Fast and Furious, Too Fast, Too Furious, I don't know where the heck Tokyo Drift came from. All of the Fast and Furious series. Now, they've gotten a little bit out of hand, absolutely, and I have not seen the most recent one yet. But for some reason, I always revert to answering the Fast and Furious series. But in all honesty, every single movie I watch, I'm just like, man, that's the greatest movie I've ever seen before. I love that. J-Bones wants to know is... Is this manipulation? It is. J-Bones, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Coffee Link, thank you very much for the super chat. Frosty TV or YouTube, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark bro. But the real question is, when thumbnail update? Holy smokes, man. Soon thumbnail update. The real answer is, the real answer, Dark bro, is I actually do not know. I don't know when thumbnail update. That is the legitimate answer there. I do hope soon is the a correct answer, but the honest answer is I do not know. So I want to answer that honestly for you. Don't need to spam. People in the chat isn't moving fast enough. You guys are right. If you don't know, I can keep up with a very fast chat. I just like to prioritize the super stickers and the super chats because clearly those people don't have to pay for the chat to come across the screen. Blockchain Boy likes Floki. He wants it to go to the moon. Do you know Cody, and what do you think? We've looked at Cody before, but I do not know it. We'll look at it. What are your thoughts on Shiba? What do you think K9 since it is just released? Brian, listen, I don't like anything that the ecosystem team sponsors or endorses. Why? Because everything that they say is good, they are paid to say is good. Listen, I could come out with a token tomorrow, and I could say this token burns SHIB. They would label it a scam. They would label me a thief, and they would tell you all over X, avoid Claybro's token. Now, they might have a little bit of pushback if they do that. So I warned them, don't do that, guys. Think twice, okay? You can label me a scammer if you want, but I think the community really, really knows. All you have to do is look at whose comments are open and whose comments are disabled. Their comments are disabled because they can't deal with people, asking questions and telling them the truth. But look, that is not an accurate representation of K9, okay? K9 may be providing additional liquidity to the Shibarium blockchain. K9 may have nothing but good intentions. I think that K9 may have just gone the wrong route with trying to be endorsed by the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem team and essentially getting in bed with them in the sense that they're all advisors for K9 Finance right now. I think that they went the wrong route with that, but they may have good intentions, man. I don't know. So I can't speak anything bad about K9 Finance, but I will speak bad about the ecosystem team because nothing they've ever done is good. Hey, bro, what have I missed? Raptor Gaming, a test of $70,000 Bitcoin. You have also missed a test of resistance once again, a 3,500 points per coin on SHIB, and right now it's pulling back. It tried to break out. Can't do it, man. It's still floating right there at that 3,500 level. Did you get about Pop Dog? I did, Russell. I did, man. It's getting crazy in here. Let's try to look at Pop Dog real quick. And then the other one that you just asked about, too. Somebody just asked about it. I already forgot about that one. So try to bring it up and remind me in a second. Pop Dog. Goes the weasel. All right, we got ourselves a little Solana token here. It's been out for 2 months and has just taken off over the last, 2 weeks here. Pop Dog, a very, very nice graph. Going from basically nothing down here, 4 zeros and a 5, to 2 zeros and a 2-5. Guys, that is a 50x gain in Pop Dog over the last 2 months. So put this one on your radar because it is still an extremely small market cap coin. 1.9 thousand holders, 1,900 holders. I do not know, how big their community is, if they've got a following and all of that stuff. But Pop Dog looks very good in terms of current price action. For some reason, I don't know if it's popcorn, hot dog, or what the deal is. But going over that explanation right there, I just got extremely hungry. You guys ever, you're just sitting there and you're not even thinking about food, and then all of a sudden your stomach feels like an empty pit? That just hit me. Hit me hard, dude. It's like my stomach feels like a shadow. Good news with Gary Gnu. I like it, with Gary Gnu, man. We got ourselves a Gary, dude, I want to freak my cat out again. Gary, thank you very much for the cow super chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. And hopefully it did freak your cat out and you got what you wanted. Any X's from Lucy? Oh, gotcha. So, Kenneth, there were a couple. The only one that really matters is that she posted on X today. The team is gearing up to burn at least 40 Ethereum worth of Shiba Inu coin. Now, 40 Ethereum worth of Shiba Inu coin is about $150,000. Doing the math in my head, I think it's somewhere between like 4 and 5 billion Shiba Inu coin. Now, $150,000, it is a lot of money. I have to respect the amount of money that they are potentially gearing up to burn here. But at the same breath, they have accumulated 1.47, I believe, million bone. That is like $1.7 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. They have burned 400,000 in the past, and they're potentially gearing up for a $150,000 burn. 400,000 plus 150,000 is 650. Oh no, $550,000. $550,000 completely to burn out of the 1.7 million accumulated. Anybody know where the other 1.2 million dollars? Where is it? So, look, it is awesome that they are gearing up to burn that, and it is a lot of money. Like, full respect on that. But, dude, where's the rest of it? You know what I mean? Like why do they have to hide everything there? King Frog is about to go crazy. We got King Frog token in the chat right now. King Frog, man, what's going on? What's worth getting into right now? Scott Maddox, man. It depends, okay? It depends. I showcased a couple tokens a minute ago. If you want to go check them out or go back in the live stream, Cash, symbol CASH, is one you should look at. Sync, SYNC, Smog, and Azure. I want you to fully know that those were sponsored tokens in the past. I do own Smog, I do own Azure, and I do own Sync, but I do not own Cash yet. I am interested in buying a little bit of Cash there to see if I can capitalize on this dip. Some other tokens that you should consider. The T-Man. If you don't know who that is, he's running for president. YouTube just doesn't like it when you talk about these guys. A lot of his tokens on Solana could do very, very well as the election hype heats up throughout the course of the year. 2024 is going to be a crazy year, and a lot of attention is going to be on the election. So these tokens could do very, very well as all of that stuff heats up. Just thought about it. It used to sound sickly. Neckbeard, cows come a long way, bro. Yeah, you had your eyes closed and you thought there was an actual cow in your building. Didn't you, J-Bones? Yeah, you did. Well, the release of the new K9 token, Shiba Inu, realized new highs sooner than expected. RJG, in my opinion, no. Okay? In my opinion, no. The best that K9 is going to do, if people utilize it, is provide additional liquidity to bone holders. Now, additional liquidity to bone holders, the only way that is going to benefit Shiba Inu coin is if they essentially staked their bone assets and then used their new liquid K9 or whatever it's called to go out and buy Shiba Inu coin with. So, I mean, it could have an indirect positive impact on Shiba Inu coin, but only if the holders decide to go out and buy SHIB with it. It's not going to increase the amount of burns, and it's not going to directly increase the amount of buys for SHIB. So it's still going to depend on the holders to do that. Federal Aviation Administration every day, Moji. Yeah, for real. Should I put money back into AEMC? Raptor Gaming. Listen, you can do whatever the heck you want to do with your money, right? But I truly don't believe AEMC is going to be able to flourish unless Adam Aaron is gone. Dude, the guy's sole mission in life is to make sure he takes all of retail investors' money and takes it out of their pockets and puts it in his and AMC's. So if you want to fund Adam Aaron's lifestyle, and if you want to fund all of the executives at AMC and their paychecks, yeah, I would say you could buy AMC right now. But I think he's gonna destroy the price to save the company. My liquidity paired tokens are locked inside of Shiba Swap. Corey, I don't know how to tell you to unlock them, man. Hopefully they get Shiba Swap up on Shibarium soon, and then you can get some additional liquidity with K9 if that's what you're looking for. Michael Allen, Mike says honorarium, the people's coin, not SHIB. Hello, Richie. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen and Richie's Plain Talk is back in the chat. Yes, I'm actually excited to have Richie. I think somebody was asking about you, Richie, the other day, and I said I haven't seen you in a very long time, man. So I am very glad that you are back in here, and hopefully all is well, man. Hopefully you're healthy, you're doing good. But I am glad, dude, that you are in here. And, it's like, look, a lot of the bros, they go away for a while. Rocket, he pops in every once in a while. Mr. Simon's been MIA for quite a while now. We haven't seen Grandpa Barney, dude, in 2 years. Richie was gone for a while. But, dude, when you guys come back, man, it's like the bros are back home. You know, so I'm glad. And there's 300 people in here right now. Some of you guys are new. Some of you guys are old that have disappeared for a while. But I want you to know, man, like when you hang out here, it's like the bros are coming home. So hopefully, you kind of get used to hanging out here, even in the bear markets, even when prices are down. I'm telling you guys, we have fun in here. So I hope you make it a habit to hang out with us, even if you're not active in the chat. I hope you guys make this your home, dude. And for 1-2 hours a day, during the week, you're willing to hang out with the bros, man. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you, man. So is Shiba Inu Coin going to decline? Israel Bernal. It could decline. Listen. SHIB's sitting at 3,500 points per coin right now. This is still a very, very strong price point. But this is a very, very exponentially quick move. And this is very difficult to maintain. So, think about it. How long could this trend line really keep up? You pull it down here, man. Do we really think that SHIB can continue on this trend line? If it does, look. By the end of March, we're going to be back up at the all-time high. Okay. Well, dude, by the beginning of April then, we're going to be 2 times. That's not 2 times. We're going to be 2 times the all-time high by the middle of April. So if that trend line were to keep up right here, this is very, very steep. So is Shiba Inu Coin going to fall? I personally believe this consolidation around 3,500 is very, very strong, okay? And it does show a lot of commitment to the Shiba Inu Coin holders, but, dude, it can't keep this line forever. So at some point, yeah, you're going to see either a slowdown, you're going to see a stagnant consolidation to the side, you're going to see something happen. I just don't know. Nobody knows what tomorrow's price action brings, man. You just can't maintain this line forever. By the end of the year, Shiba Inu Coin is going to be at $1 trillion valuation. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, here's an awesome walkthrough on how to buy Honorarium. Guys, if you did not know, Dark Bro is the creator of Honorarium. Okay, Honorarium is built on honor, it's built on integrity, and it has the ticker symbol HRM. You can come out here and check it out. It's down 17% on the day today, but overall the ascending trend lines are all there. I mean, look, higher lows being hit. The midterm trend lines right here are all ascending, and the higher highs that are being hit continue to happen. So Honorarium does look very strong on its all-time graph. It may be a little slower in terms of a 5-minute graph because the volume is only $2,000 per day. But when you pull it out to a daily graph, it does seem very, very nice there. Very, very strong. Full disclosure, I do own Honorarium, just so you guys know. But yeah, Honorarium is looking very good. And if you are interested in it, make sure to check out that video right there. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Don't like videos? Screen cleaner? What? I don't even... Screen cleaner? Somebody... Is there somebody named Screen cleaner? I don't even know. Kitchen videos and liking them. Do it, Richard. Do it. But the snozberries taste like snozberries. That's good, isn't it? I think it's good. Hard to spend all that money, Tim. Is Tim even in the chat? I didn't see... Oh, here he is. Hey, everybody. Got a lot going on here right now. Just wanted to say have a good weekend. Be good, be safe, and be happy. Dang it, Tim, you took the words right out of my mouth, man. I hope that all of you guys listen to Tim right there. It will be kept at the 35, going up to 40, goes back down to 35, reset, go up to 40, again, exceeds 42 or 43. Yeah, Snorlax, man. But here's the thing that you guys are going to see happen, and you've already really seen it happen. I just don't know if you're necessarily paying attention to it. Now it's using it as support, so it is a very, very strong line, and it's a real line. Let me pull up the chat so I can see it. But look, there's 322 people in here. When Shiba Inu Coin was at these levels just a couple of days ago, I think March 4th, March 5th, there was 800 people in here. Now, what's different? The price is still the same, but what's different is that we've been sitting sideways. Now, to a lot of people, it's no longer exciting. Now, to a lot of people, this is not a good level to be at. The mentality of these people so quickly shifts that they're the ones that really cause the major dump-offs. After we get up, they immediately get scared and sell off. So, 311 people in here. We're at the exact same price that we were at a couple of days ago when there were 800 people in here. The only difference is that the price is not ripping higher. The price is simply maintaining these levels. You guys see that difference. Everybody else, they just see a stagnant price and don't want anything to do with it. So that's going to make the difference, man. And you know what? If the price of SHIB sits at 3,500 points per coin for another month, I would almost bet that we're back down to 50, 60 people in the chat by then. And a lot of you will drop off. And you know what? Let me know in the chat if you're going to drop off if Shiba Inu Coin a month from now is still sitting at 3,500 points. If you need that volatility to be here. I don't think you guys are going to answer it, honestly. How much is 440 Ethereum? Well, if 40 Ethereum, or if 44 Ethereum is roughly $150,000, you're going to multiply that by 10, and you're going to get to $1.5 million. So roughly in that area, $1.5-ish million right now. Floki going higher. Rahul Metza. Floki looking very good today. SHIB looking very good today. Pepe looking very good today. All of the meme coins are looking very good today. I look real good today. I look real good today. Yeah, look at Floki, man. Floki's sitting up. Let's try to refresh it here. Floki's sitting up 62% on the day today. 3 zeros and a 22. Floki is strong. The rest of the crypto market is strong. Where is Jasmine still doing well as well? Jasmine is still maintaining those 2-cent levels as well, man. These crypto tokens, these meme coins are looking very, very good. Even Salama, dude. Salama trending on CoinMarketCap. Interesting that this one here is trending. I haven't seen this one yet. I haven't seen this one yet, but that gives me hope for my T-Man coin that I got out there. Pepe up 30% today. Is Pepe at a new all-time high? Yeah, dude. Pepe at a new all-time high. Touching almost a $4 billion market cap today. There's not a single loser in all of Pepe. Unless, of course, you bought in about a half hour ago. Man. Dude, is everybody's winning right now. Everybody is winning right now, and it looks good. I won't be dropping off anytime, bro. I won't back down like a twig with sunglasses on top of a Himalayan mountain with smooth... What is going on, man? Snorlax. I like your metaphors, dude. I like your metaphors. They are very vivid. I hope you don't drop off soon, man, because you can bring a lot of entertainment to the chat. So good deal, Snorlax. Don't drop off. I think you might be one of the... Oh, I'm going to ride it out. Israel going to ride it out as well. All right, so a couple of you guys said you're going to be here. That's what I like to see. Much love, bro. Heck yeah, Snorlax. A Stoned Gamer won after gas fees. What? Well, what about after gas fees? 1-1 after gas fees? Dude, I'm not leaving even if Bitcoin goes to $99. Old Rounder, I believe it. Why do I believe it? Because you didn't leave before. I know you ain't going to leave again, man. Geoped made it. Late, but made it. Geoped, man, glad you're in here, dude. J-Bones! Who else mixes their chocolate via waterfall? I don't even know what a chocolate waterfall is. Sounds kind of nice, though. Positive. Stoned Gamer. I think good. How high do you think SHIB will go? I only have 26 million coins. So dip and wit. Dip and wit. It's so hard to say, man. It's so hard to say. If Bitcoin continues its current action, yes, I think that once SHIB breaks 35, we could be testing those all-time highs. Now, you saw when Bitcoin hit that all-time high, people sold off quick, dude. It was a major pullback. I think you see that with SHIB. I truly do. If SHIB hits an all-time high, I think you're going to see a very strong knee-jerk reaction with everybody who's been in it getting out of it. Now, it depends on how many people panic, okay? If those that truly just simply want to get out, okay, we'll see a little bit of a pullback, sure, and that is fine. If we pull all the way back to where we are now, it might be a little dangerous. If we pull back to like 7,000, 8,000 points off that all-time high, a little 10, 20, 25% decline, Shiba Inu coin could be springboarding much higher. So I do not know how high it's going to go. It's all going to depend on how confident traders are. The band is up to date. Thank you, Clay. Kenneth, man, thank you very much for the super chat. We got a little bit of a sell-off happening in Bitcoin right now. But if you guys did not know, Kenneth is an extreme Jasper T. Jowls fan along with Goofy. He likes the dogs, man. He likes the dogs out there. So, Kenneth, thank you very much for that super chat. And I'm glad the band is up to date, man. Dog Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, later, broskies. Dark Bro is always here. Check out Honorarium and join the Discord. Absolutely do it. Guys, even if you just want to hang out, right? Dark Bro's got an awesome Discord there. I got a Discord as well, but Dark Bro paid that super chat, so definitely join Dark Bro's Discord and learn more about Honorarium. If you're interested, I know a lot of you guys are sitting on gains right now, okay? I don't know if you're ready to sell and take some profit, but some of you are going to be running into the decision that you need to make. Should you sell and go into stable coins? Should you sell and go into Ethereum? Should you sell and go into Bitcoin? Should you sell and go into meme coins? A lot of questions are going to float around, so do your research now, right? See if Honorarium is something that you're interested in, and then if it is, let's get started. If it's not, you'll at least have done your research, so make sure to ask Dark Bro as many questions as possible. I'm out at 1.015, 1.5 cents, man. Are we talking Honorarium? 1.5 cents. We talking SHIB, 1.5 cents. That 1.5 million, 400. Oh, gotcha. Stone Gamer. And then after the gas fees, yeah. Now I gotcha. Stone Gamer, I promise. I'm fully here right now, but now I understood. So thank you very much for the explanation. And guys, this stuff is pulling back a little bit into the afternoon here, so be very careful. A lot of people leading or believing that we're going to see some March pullbacks. I don't think that this is necessarily the start of it, but it is something that you want to be cautious about, okay? Oops. 15. Hey, either way, Moji, you're making some mad money, dude. Rahul, thank you guys very much for subscribing to the channel. Look, if you want your name on the screen, subscribe to the channel right now. It is going to pop up. I know my analytics. 60% of you guys do not subscribe to the channel. I don't know why, but I absolutely appreciate all of the support. Guys, this has literally been the best month in 2 years in terms of views and in terms of subscribers. It is tough. I'm not going to lie. It is tough when you start to feel like nobody's interested in cryptocurrency. You're hanging out with the 40 guys in the live stream and you guys are doing okay. But it's tough when you feel like you're doing something that nobody's interested in. So right now, I owe all of you a huge thank you for showing interest and it translates, man. It translates into views. It translates into subscribers. It translates into fun, excitement, and so on. It completely changes everything. So thank you guys very much for subscribing to the channel, clicking the like button, all that. Dude, you literally can change people's lives by simply clicking a button. Think about that. Even if you don't watch a video but once a month, you can change somebody's life simply by clicking a video or clicking a button, whether it be subscribe, like, dislike, comment. If you engage, man, YouTube pays attention to that. So thank you very much for all the engagement. Genji! Yay, Clay, bro. Awesome job for sticking with us all and giving us the scoop. Genji, thank you very much for always being in here. Shiba not dead? Who said that, huh? Kids, cover your eyes. Oh, no! Watch out, Suzuki's coming! Amazon links, please post. Yeah, Amazon link. Oh, there you go. J-Bones is on it, man. I like it. J-Bones, thank you very much for grabbing that Amazon link right there. You guys are fast, man. These mods are on it right now. That link that's on the screen, I'm going to pin that, okay? If you guys want to use that Amazon link right there, what that Amazon link does is it brings you up. I think that's the Shiba Inu Coin merchandise, or the Shiba Inu Coin merch one. It brings you up to a SHIB page. You don't have to buy the SHIB merch if you don't want to buy the SHIB merch. Literally anything that you buy on Amazon, as long as you open Amazon through that link, burns 1% of your purchase. Buy $100, you're going to be burning $1. Buy $1,000, you're going to be burning $10. Buy $10, you guys are going to be burning 10 cents. It might not sound like a lot, but 1,000 people clicked on that link yesterday. Add it all up, man. The day before, it was like 1,400. The day before that was 2,200. But it coincides with the views as well. So save that link somewhere, right? Save that link on your desktop. Save that link on your phone. Save that link however you guys got to save it. And if you use that for your Amazon purchases and share that with your family and friends, we're going to be able to burn billions of Shiba Inu coin. And I'm actually excited about it. And it's free. It doesn't cost you guys anything additional. You don't have to buy the SHIB merch, all that stuff. You guys are truly making a difference here. Have a good weekend, everybody. Kenneth, you as well, man. Guys, 1 o'clock. Have a great weekend. Yeah, it is 5 o'clock. Guys, here's what we're going to do because I do have to get over to my grandpa's house this evening. I'm not going to leave the live stream up here. I am going to end it. I'm going to get off. You guys got videos coming out tonight. You got a couple videos. There is a sponsored video on Sync Token, okay? I highlighted it during the live stream. I'm going to tell you right now, I did stake some Sync, and you guys want to check out those rewards because I staked I mean, it's a decent amount, but it's nothing like crazy. And it's earning $33 a week right now. Every 5 days. It's not even a full week. It's every 5 days. It's earning $33 every 5 days at the moment, which is crazy. So definitely check that video out if you guys are interested in some insane passive income. And they're also up like 5-6x just over the last like 10 days. So they're on an absolute tear right now. Check out that video. We got more videos coming out. We'll do some shout outs, and we will be back, man. Good news with Gary Gnu. See you later. Enjoy your weekend. Suzuki, man. We got little squiggles in the chat right there. Moji, Suzuki, new photo, Buto. Ahoo! Clibro, did Clibro make a SHIB burn promo code for Amazon? I did not look into the promo code, Nufo. I have to look into that. Hopefully that's something I can check out tonight when I'm at my grandpa's house. Moji, man, see you later. Rahul, we got Suzuki, Rahul. It's not a promo code, it's the link though. It's the affiliate link. You can use that code there, or the link there, and it will burn 1% of anything you buy, right? But it's not like a code that you can type in at the end. Raul, see you later, man. J-Bones, have a great day. Tenacious Dean, enjoy your day. Will Major, have a great one. Jeremiah, see you later. Enjoy your weekend. Good news with Gary Gnu. Get your game on. Go play. See you later, man. Suzuki Master, Bobcat Bro, Moji Bones, Gen G, Marcus, is peace out to you. Gen G, see you later. Paulino de Avila Diaz, enjoy your weekend. Grizilla, I think it's Grizilla Studios. Have a great weekend, man. Mark L, peace out to you. Suzuki, Will Major, Old Rounder, Crypto Coon, Raul Valdez, Reyes, Will Major, Suzuki, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me over the top 90. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.